Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be solving a question on geometry, and our question is, what is the value of the angle marked M? So we are looking for this part of this shape marked M degree. So before we can actually get this M degree, I would love us to recall some points of geometry. So these are the 3 points I would love us to recall before solving this question. It says, exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Then we'll have the sum of angle in a triangle equal to 180 degree and sum of angle on a straight line equals to 180 degree. So we'll be using either of these points today. So now let's go back to the shape. Now we'll have from point M, I would love us to connect a straight line from this point so as to meet the line YZ. That way, we are going to get a straight line from point X. So now let's connect that so we'll see what I'm saying. So from point M, we have to connect a straight line so as to meet Y and Z. And now that straight line, if we trace it down to X, it is going to be a very straight line. So now that we've gotten this, I'll allow us to mark this part as an angle we're going to be looking for, and then let's call this point W. So now we can solve this question working with these rules of geometry. So now if we look at this first part of the triangle, this first part, I would love us to bring it out so as to work with it. So now let me bring that out. So now I've been able to bring out the left part of this shape where we'll have from X to W and then Y. So now this is now a right angled triangle. So now if we bring out this part, I want us to look for this angle W. So after we've gotten angle W, we can now go back to this shape and look for angle M. So now recall for angle in a right angle, this part is 90 degree. Angle in a right angle is what? 90 degree. So now if the space is 90 degree, let's put that there, 90 degree. And now, one of the points we're going to work with here says, exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. Exterior angle means the angle outside. So if you look at this point, W, this angle here is an exterior angle. Now it is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. Now what is the opposite of this exterior angle? This side is the opposite. This side. This side is the opposite. It is an interior angle. The angle is inside the triangle. So exterior angle of a triangle, the angle outside of this triangle is equal to the opposite. The opposite angle is equal to the sum of the opposite angle. So now this point W is equal to the sum of point Y and point X. That is, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. The angle inside of the triangle, opposite, is equal to the exterior angle. So that way, we'll have angle W equal to angle Y plus angle X. Now we're looking for the W, which is equal to Y will have 90 degree plus for X we have 33 degree. When I add this together, angle W gives us 123 degree. So now that we've gotten this, we'll put it inside the big triangle. That's the main triangle we're working with. So now W we have 123 degree. So now that we've gotten this part, I'll allow us to now focus on the main question, which is to look for the angle M. So now let's focus on the right hand side of this shape. We've gotten our W, we have Z. Now we are looking for M degree. So there are two ways we can look for this M degree. We can decide to work with sum of angle in a triangle. Since we have an obtuse angle triangle, we've gotten W, we have Z. When we add it together and subtract from 180, because sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. When we subtract it from 180 degree, we'll be able to get this part. And now, after getting this part, we'll notice that this line we connected actually gave us a straight line to X. Straight line to X, and then sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So whatever we get here, when we subtract it from 180, we'll be able to get the part marked M. We'll be able to get the side marked M. But the method I would love us to use is still the exterior angle, which is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, which is going to give us a straightforward answer because this M is an exterior angle for this opposite interior angle. These are the interior angle of this triangle and M is the exterior angle. So if we work with the same method we used to get 123, the same method we used to get angle W, we'll be able to get M. So now let's draw that part of the shape outside, so we'll work with it only. So now I've been able to bring out the right part of this shape. This is it here. Now we'll have X, W, Z, and then the M we are looking for. So this angle M is the exterior angle of this shape. And now the interior angles are the W and Z. So recall, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So this angle M is equal to the sum of angle W and angle Z. Now let's solve this. So we have M degree is equal to W plus Z, the angles of W and Z. So now we have M degree equal to, what is W? We have 123 degree, plus for Z we have 22 degree. Now when I add this part together, I'm going to get 145 degrees. So angle M is equal to 145 degree. Now we'll put it back on the original shape, 145 degree. So now we're able to get the angle marked M. I would love you to try using the first method I said, that's sum of angle in a triangle and angle in a straight line. Then you see you'll be able to get the same 145 degree. So whichever method you decide to use will actually work well for you. Thank you very much for joining me in today's class. See you in my next class. Bye.